Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Minecraft with my friend Epic Destroyer XL7. So let's just, I think I'm playing on the same server as last time. Oh, it's not working. Technical difficulties, I'll be back in a second. Hi again. So basically, me and Epic Destroyer are both gonna play Hypixel now. I'm just waiting for him because he needed to restart his computer. Hi guys again. So basically, Destroyer will take a few minutes to come on. So I'm just gonna play a game of Buildbattle by myself right now. Okay, so what should we make? A test bear, zoo, kitten, castle. Let's build a yes, we're building a castle. Okay, how to build a castle. Okay. Okay, let's build. Wait, how long is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, no, that's too far. Okay, we have 4 minutes left. Okay, so this is the layout. What? It's probably going to be like 4 blocks high. Actually, no, that's too short. Okay, wait, okay, yeah, it needs to be like 2 blocks higher. I probably won't have enough time for this. Oh no, we only have 1 minute left. This is going to be really tight. If we can actually make it. Oh god, we're not going to do this. Oh wait, we can. Yes. And then, 1 sec. So this, this. Just like this would. Build. Oh god, yeah, I'm not gonna do this. Well, there's my castle. Okay, let's see this one. This is quite good. It's not the full castle, but it definitely is quite good. I'm gonna rate it good. Yeah, this is decent. That's okay, yes. I don't know what all that like stuff in the middle is. Oh, this is like one of those like classic castles. That's okay. Oh, this is my one. 4 people holding poop. Legendary. Oh, my one's not good. And it's not great. It's only like a bit. That's okay. Oh, this is actually decent. What's this? Ooh, good. I like this one. That is good. Ooh. Yeah, that's good as well. Oh. Oh god. No. Okay, what's this? Ooh, this is good. I like this. Ooh. Okay, this is the one that won. I came 9th place. Okay. Well, that's decent, I guess. Hello, everybody, again. So, basically, I'm just gonna play, like, another thing. Why is it not letting me... Oh, okay, no, it is. Oh, I didn't get to... Okay, forget it. Okay. No. Wait. What should I use to build a crayon? Oh, wait. Like, orange... No. Actually, you know, orange... Okay, so, basically, I just finished my crayon. This is my crayon. It's a very nice crayon. And it's like drawing some squiggles. It's only like 30 seconds until the end of the thing. So, I hope I win. Like, I hope I get higher than, no, lower than 9th place, like last time. Okay, only 12 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, voting now. What's this? That's okay. What's this? Oh, this is a long crayon. That's okay as well. Oh, this is a crayon in the wild. That's good. Here's my crayon. It's got a few squiggles over here. What's this? Crayon. That's not a crayon. What's this? What is that? That's okay. This is just a line. What does this say? No. Okay, I can. Okay. What's this? What's this? Oh, this is okay. Wait. What's this? I don't really care. This is okay. Again. Okay. Happy face. That's not a crayon. Actually, wait. This part at the top is kind of like crayons. How did this win? This is literally just a line. It's because he just said, please rate legendary. Oh, I came 3rd place. Oh, at least it's better than 9th place. Anyway, so I think I had 2 good rounds of Buildbattle on Minecraft. So I'm just gonna leave the video there. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. That would help me out massively. So as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.